Good Wednesday morning, and thanks for checking out your Mr. Quick forecast. We have brutally cold temperatures. I mean, to say it lightly, we have temperatures currently in the -8 to 9 degree range here in Indy, temperatures down to -20 in northwest Indiana, and we're actually going to continue to get colder here through the morning. So we have not reached our low yet. Our low could reach down to about -12 here before the morning is said and done. Now, our wind chill. When you factor in the wind, it currently feels like -27 in Indy, -40 in Lafayette, almost -50 up in northwest Indiana. Our wind chills could reach as low as about -38 degrees this morning. So brutally cold conditions. If you're outside with any exposed skin, you can actually get frostbite in as little as about 10 minutes, even less than 10 minutes. So you want to take this very seriously and just limit any time outside. If you have to venture outside, even just walking to your car, be sure to bundle up there, cover those ears and your hands, and make sure you are dressed in layers out there today. Let's talk about our forecast because I do have some good news. This is the great part about this, that even though we're so cold, in just a few days from now, we're going to go from this to a spring-like feel by the weekend. We have temperatures 0 today for the high, -8 tonight, a little bit warmer by tomorrow afternoon, and then Friday's the day where we really start to get out of this here. Now, as we make the transition into the warmer weather, it looks like we could have snow Thursday night and possibly an accumulated snow event here tomorrow night. And then as we go into the weekend, not looking too bad. A couple chances for drizzle, but not going to be a washout. We have temperatures in the 40s Saturday, 50s Sunday, and 60s on Monday. Just incredible stuff here. And then 40s by Tuesday with the chance for showers there. So let's talk about our system for tomorrow night. Looks like the snow will come in after about 7 or 8 tomorrow evening. Snow will continue into the early morning hours on Friday. And then Friday, most of the day, we will start to dry things out. But we could be looking at from Indianapolis and points north, a band of possibly 2 to 4 inches of snow. And locally, there could be even more than that. Now, the exact track of the system is not set in stone. You know, if that system shifts any further north, Indy could see a lot less snowfall. So the snowfall for Indianapolis is a little bit tricky because we are kind of on that gradient there where there could be much lower totals. But right now, we could see at least 2 inches of snow with that system tomorrow night. And then after the snow comes the warmth for the weekend. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great day and be sure to stay warm.